How to disable data saving mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily turn off data saving mode on YouTube so you can enjoy higher video quality and a smoother streaming experience. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as data saving. So just tap on it, and now here inside the data saving at the top you can see the option labeled as data saving mode. So here to disable this option, just toggle off the option and it will be grayed out. And that's it. That's how you can disable data saving mode on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.